I'm going to be showing you all how to fix a line 24 snap. One of the ways that I think works really well, I'm sure there's other ways, is to actually drill out the center of the line 24 snap, and then the two sides of the snap will come apart from each other, and then you could set another snap into the same hole. So sometimes you set your snap wrong, or you forget your washer, or you forget your strap, or whatever have you on your project. So it's nice to know how to fix hardware that's gone wrong. So we're going to be using a drill. Any drill will do. And a piece of wood that's just going to be on the other side of the drill when we're drilling out the line 24 snap, and then a set of drill bits, because you'll be having to drill the center of the snap out. When a line 24 snap gets set, basically what happens is the post here comes down and kind of rolls over its edge, and that rolled edge makes it so the snap doesn't come apart. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to cut off the rolled edge to allow the snap to come apart. So you could see the post, the edge rolled in there. So in order to drill that out, I'm actually going to take my piece of wood and put it underneath. And then I'm going to take my drill and I'm going to grab I'm going to start with the 7/32 drill bit, because to me that fits really nicely in here. And I'm not trying to save the current snap that's on there, so I'm going to need a new snap once I decide to reset this. Test it, make sure I'm going righty-tighty, which is going to drill the correct direction. Then I'm going to move my bag out of the way, put the piece of wood on the marble, make sure the piece of wood is actually beneath my line 24 snap, and then I'm just going to come in with the drill and start drilling. And then you could see it was starting to eat away at the metal there, but it should just pull off pretty easily. So I'm actually going to go in there and drill a little bit more. Yeah, you can actually see the little lip of the line 24 snap came off onto the drill bit there, so that's what was holding the snap together. So now I should be able to just pick that off, which I did pretty easily, and pull the snap out. It looks like I can probably reuse this leather washer, but you could see that we didn't create any other large hole on the fabric. The fabric hole is still intact, and it's 100% ready to set another line 24 snap onto there. Okay, so that's how you would take a snap off if you set it wrong.